Hello friends, welcome back. Let's learn fractions, how to add fraction. Let's start. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. How? Let's understand. 2 upon 2, the upper number 2 identifies the number of quantity and the lower number 2, that is a symbol of unit, full part or half or one third or one fourth part. 2 upon 2 defines that two pieces of half, as you can see, two half pieces of pizza. 2 upon 2 means two half pieces of pizza. How? Upper number 2 that defines number of pieces and lower number 2 that defines the quantity. 2 upon 2 pizza, it means two half pieces of pizza. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. You can read this like 1 piece of half plus 1 piece of half is equal to 2 pieces of half. As you can see, there are 2 pieces of half pizza. If you add them, it will become one full unit. If you add 2 half pieces, and it will become one full pizza. So 2 upon 2 means 2 divided by 2. So let's divide 2 with 2. If you divide 2 by 2, the answer will be 1. What if you add 1 upon 2 with 2 upon 2? Let's learn. 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. How? Let's read this like 1 piece of half pizza plus 2 pieces of half pizza is equal to 3 pieces of half. You can see 1 half piece plus 2 half pieces are being added and it equals to 3 half pieces of pizza. If you add 1 half piece of pizza with 2 half pieces of pizza, then there will be 3 half pieces of pizza. So 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. And what if you add 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2? And how will you add? 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2. Let's read this like 1 piece of half plus 2 pieces of half plus 3 pieces of half is equal to 6 pieces of half. If you add 1 half piece of pizza plus 2 half pieces of pizza plus 3 half pieces of pizza, then there will be 6 half pieces of pizza. You can see there. And these 6 pieces of half pizza is equal to 3 full pieces of pizza. You can see there 6 half pieces of pizza are making 3 full units of pizza, 3 full pizzas. So how it is possible? 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2, and 6 upon 2 refers to 6 divided by 2. So you can divide 6 by 2, it will be divided 3 times, then the answer will be 3. And if you add 6 half pieces of pizza, they will become 3 full pizzas. 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2. You will divide 6 by 2, it will be divided 3 times, then the answer will be 3. If you add 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, then it will become 3. The answer will be 3. But what if you add 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3? What will be there and how will you divide that? Let's learn. 1 upon 3 means 3 equal pieces of pizza and take 1 from them. 1 upon 3 means 3 equal pieces of pizza and you have 1 piece of pizza. That 1 part of pizza is called 1/3. 1 upon 3 means if you divide 1 full piece of pizza into 3 equal pieces and you take 1 piece from them, that will be 1/3 part of pizza. If you add 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, that will become 1 full unit. If you add 1/3 piece of pizza with 1/3 piece of pizza with 1/3 piece of pizza. If you add 3 1/3 piece of pizza, it will become a full pizza. You can see there 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 1. How? Let's learn. 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 2/3, means 1 piece of 1/3 plus 1 piece of 1/3 is equal to 2 pieces of 1/3. If you add 1/3 piece of pizza with 1/3 piece of pizza, it will become 2/3 pieces of pizza. If you add 1/3 piece of pizza with another 1/3 piece of pizza, it will become 2 pieces of 1/3 pizza. And if you add 3 1/3 pieces of pizza, it will become 1 full pizza. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 3/3. 1 piece of 1/3 pizza plus 1 piece of 1/3 pizza plus 1 piece of 1/3 pizza is equal to 3 pieces of 1/3 pizza. And if you add them, you can see there it will become 1 full unit of pizza, 1 full piece of pizza. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 3/3, and if you divide, it will be divided 1 time and answer will be 1. So if you add 3 1/3 pieces of pizza, you will get 1 full pizza. Understand this more beautifully? 1/1 is equal to full, 1/2 is 1 piece of half, 1/3 is 1/3 piece, 1/4 means 1/4 piece of pizza. How? Let's learn. 1/4. If you divide a full pizza into 4 equal pieces and you take 1 from them, that will be called 1/4, 1/4 part of that pizza. If you divide 1 full pizza into 4 equal pieces and you take 1 from them, that will be called 1/4 piece of pizza. It means 1/4 piece of pizza. Let's understand this betterly. 1/1 is equal to 1 full, 1/2 is equal to 1 half, 1/3 is equal to 1/3, 1/4 is equal to 1/4 part of pizza. As you can see there, understand this in this way. 1/1 is equal to 1 full piece of pizza, 1/2 is equal to 1 half piece of pizza, 1/3 is equal to 1/3 piece of pizza, 1/4 is equal to 1/4 piece of pizza. In another section, 1/1 refers to 1 full pizza, 1/2 plus 1/2 refers to 2 half pieces of pizza, and that makes 1 full unit. And 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 means 3 1/3 pieces of pizza are making 1 full unit. That means if you add 1/3 plus 1/3 1 plus 1/3, then it will become 1 full unit. And 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 4 1/4 pieces of pizza. It means if you add them, it will become 1 full piece of pizza.